Hi everybody, today we're going to be making a monster cheesy chicken burrito. So there'll be a link to this in the description. I hope you enjoy this video. Please consider subscribing, click on the bell icon so that you know when I post new videos, and I look forward to hearing from you in the comments. Today I have a helper with me. Say hello, helper.
Hola!
So here we go, we're going to get started. That was definitely one of the least healthy meals that I've made. But the picky 12-year-old gave it a rating of a 10 out of 10 and actually continued to eat it this time. The rest of us gave it a rating of a 10 out of 10 as well, except for the picky eater. The picky eater of the family gave it a rating of an 8 out of 10 because it was too spicy. On the messiness scale, it got a rating of a 4 out of 10, and that's mostly because I had to cook the chicken beforehand and shred it. If I had already had pre-cooked, pre-shredded chicken sitting around, either frozen or whatever, I would have given it a much better messy kitchen rating, probably a 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it the thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel and click on that bell icon so that you are notified anytime I post a new video. And I look forward to hearing from you in the comments. Thanks for watching.